So I've started off with the Morphe palette, the Second Nature one, and I went in with the shade Orb, and I'm just putting that around in the crease of my eyelid and really spreading that out. I then spread it around my eyelid, layering it up as thick and as dark as you want it. Going in with one of my favourite palettes this autumn by Revolution, and it is the Soph palette. It is the Extra Spice one, and I am going in with the shade Cheesecake just to like darken it up and yeah, just keep layering. I like to have a darker outer corner, so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. In the same Soph Revolution palette, I went in with the shades Running Late and Vitamin C. This is a lovely orange shade and a yellow shade that I'm mixing together just to create a bit of colour. I'm then taking that lovely yellow shade Vitamin C in the same palette and taking it under my eye just to blend everything together. I'm then going into the Tarteist Pro palette, and I'm taking just on my finger the Glam Shimmer. It's like a gold shimmer shade, and I'm using my finger just to tap that onto my eyelid just to add a bit of glitter and a bit of glam. I'm now just dabbing on top of the shimmer, the Vitamin C yellow shade that we were just using from the Revolution Soph palette, just to add a bit more yellow. I'm just going back over the outer corner of my crease just to darken it up a little bit. I'm now taking a very fine detailed brush and going into the corner of my eye, and I'm using the Last Sun shade and the Vitamin C shade, and I wet it and I'm just mixing them together, and it is creating this beautiful colour in the corner of my eye. And yeah, it's also shimmery. You guys know I like a shimmer. Back to the 3502 Second Nature palette by Morphe. I am taking the black shade called Whiz right in the bottom corner. Spraying it with some water, I turned it into a cream to do my eyeliner. Taking that fine detailed brush again, I'm going in with those two shades again, the La Sun and the Vitamin C from the Extra Spice palette, just to add that lovely yellow shade underneath the eyeliner, just to add a bit more colour and a bit more metallic. Now onto the lashes. I'm curling my lashes. I'm going to add a little layer of mascara using my favourite Kiko mascara, and I'm then going to add lashes. These are one of my favourite lashes from Jolie Beauty. I absolutely love that brand. They are vegan, cruelty free, they don't use any mink fur whatsoever, and yeah, all synthetic material, and look how awesome they are. I absolutely love them. Once the lashes are on, I then just pop on some black eyeshadow just to hide the glue, just so it all blends in. And then to finish this eye look off, I then just take an old mascara brush and just to pop on some mascara on the lower lashes. And that is the finished look. That was so easy and so quick, guys, and it's one of my favourite autumn looks I do. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it.